Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to change country on Wise. Sometimes when you create a Wise account, you may realize that the country on your profile is incorrect, or you may have moved to a different country and need to update your account information. Changing your country on Wise can be important because it affects things like verification, available features, supported currencies, and sometimes even the payment methods you can use. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process and explain what you need to know before trying to change your country on Wise. I'll also show you the correct steps so you don't run into common issues during the process. So if you're having trouble updating your country or just want to make sure your Wise account information is correct, follow along with this guide, and I'll show you exactly what to do step by step. First and foremost, what we want to do is search up Wise on the browser you prefer, then click the first link that pops up after searching it. Then we will log in and fill out the required information. Then the main website appears where we will go to the right side of the screen and click the Profile button, which takes us to a new screen where we scroll down and click the option that says Personal Details. Then in Personal Detail, we will click the one that says Personal Information, which takes us to a new screen where we can change our country of residence. Before we finish the video, I hope this guide helped you understand how to change the country on your Wise account. Updating your account information correctly is important because it helps make sure your account works properly with the right features, currencies, and verification requirements for your region. If you follow the steps shown in this tutorial carefully, you should now have a better understanding of what to do if you ever need to update your country or fix incorrect account details. Taking a few minutes to keep your information accurate can help you avoid issues later when sending or receiving money. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.